What's going on, guys? Good morning. Looking at XRP USD this morning. This is a 3-minute chart on TradingView.com. This is the Bitstamp data, and I want to share a couple levels on the chart as the markets have headed south, to say the least. So thanks for subscribing to the channel. Appreciate it. Thanks to everybody who hitting that thumbs up button and watching these videos, most importantly. So XRP currently down 7.93%, and I should also mention it's 4:24 in the morning on the 9th of November. So yesterday, the low so far came in down here at the 34,071 level. The low actually was lower than that. I should say support showed up at that level. And then we had a pretty vicious bounce to the upside, kind of rolled over, faded, and traded sideways, and then took out those lows. And right now, anyways, we have a higher low. So we have the low last night, and then so far this morning, not too long ago actually, is a higher low. Whether that holds or not, we will have to see today. If we can get above this 37,620 and hold, working our way up to 38 and then ultimately 40, that would indicate to us that this was the higher low, and could see something like this. Getting above these highs over here, which is in this mid 38 to 39 range, would indicate to us that this is the higher low, and then even better would be to get above this high over here, which is around 41 cents. If the price starts to do that, that tells us that this was the low, at least for now. If the price starts to roll over and create new lows, there's a good chance we're going to be testing the 34,071 level once again, and perhaps undercutting or making, undercutting these lows over here. And then who knows where the actual low will come in. What I can do is go to a daily chart. Actually, I could probably do it on here. So let's say we get back down to that low of yesterday, get back down to that 34,071 level, and start to trend lower. I have more levels on the chart below the market that where the price could potentially find a bottom. Who knows though? So we have a level down here at 32,186. That's 32 cents. Then we have one at 31,626, 31 cents. Down here at 35,559. That's 30 cents. So that's all will come into play if the price undercuts yesterday's low. Down in here, right around that 33 or so, 33.5 cent range. That's if we aren't in the process right now of printing a higher low on the chart. So we will have to kind of wait here throughout the day and see what happens if that low yesterday holds or not. It was quite the washout. So I wouldn't be surprised if it holds, although it's getting tested right now. We are not too far away from that. We're at 37 and that low was down there at 33 and ultimately found support at the 34,071 level. So let me go to a daily chart. I'll zoom in here. So I've said this in other videos. I wouldn't be surprised if the price got down to here, which it did yesterday. It broke all of these lows. Let me get my arrow. Broke these lows here. And this had a topping pattern look, especially once this big breakout over here failed at the 58.42 level. And then boom, big washout. But you can see price wicked all the way back up to that 41.67 range, which was previous resistance. So it actually turned that into support and today it's getting back tested quite well. So we'll see where this price stops today. If it stops anywhere within this range, does it head all the way back down to 30 cents? Who knows? All I can do is watch the levels on the chart, and the levels below the market can act as support, and the levels above the market can act as resistance. So current resistance for the price closest to the market right now is 37,620. That's 37 cents. That is right here on the chart. So we want to get above that. We want to get it back above 38 and ultimately back above 41.67. And that would indicate to us that this is probably the bottom. This is probably the washout liquidating move from yesterday, which I do still think that is the case. But until it starts to prove itself, that's that. And then below the market, like I said, we have 34,071, 32, 31, and 30. All areas of potential price support if price starts to trade lower. So that's pretty much it here for XRP. And we just watch the levels, and that's it, day by day. See what happens here. All right, guys, appreciate you watching. Thanks to all of the new subs, and we'll be back with some more videos. Take care.